Welcome. In front of me I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I'll show you how you can disable the ringtone volume on the smartphone. So in most cases when you want to make it, you are pressing the volume down button, right? But it doesn't work because this volume down button is about to change the volume of the media. So if you want to make it with ringtone, you have to find the settings and go for sound and vibration. And here, when you want to change the volume of the ringtone, just use this switcher. And as you see, that's it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See ya!